Module Overview. Vocal warm-ups and cool-downs are the unsung heroes of healthy vocal development. They form the bridge between your normal speaking voice and your performance-ready instrument. In the same way, athletes condition their muscles before and after physical exertion, singers must condition their vocal mechanism before and after every vocal session to ensure efficiency, flexibility, endurance, and safety. This module provides a deep, physiological, and practical dive into the importance, principles, structures, and execution of vocal warm-up and cool-down routines. It also teaches the beginner how to tailor warm-ups to individual needs, vocal goals, and repertoire demands, setting the stage for sustainable and professional vocal growth. Learning objectives. By the end of this module, you will understand the scientific purpose and benefits of vocal warm-ups and cool-downs. Identify physiological and psychological changes that occur during vocal preparation. Differentiate between static and dynamic warm-ups. Learn and perform essential warm-up and cool-down exercises. Understand how to customize routines for specific performance or practice goals. The science behind warm-ups and cool-downs. The voice is not just sound, it is muscle, tissue, vibration, and breath. Vocal folds are delicate, elastic tissues that vibrate between 100 to 1,000 times per second depending on pitch. Just like any other muscle in the body, they require gradual preparation to function at their peak without strain or injury. Why warm up? Gradually increases blood flow to vocal folds and surrounding muscles. Lubricates the vocal tract by stimulating healthy mucus production. Reduces vocal tension and stiffness. Engages breath support and alignment muscles. Tunes ear-to-voice coordination, ear training, and proprioception. Mentally prepares the singer for expressive and focused work. Why cool down? Brings the voice gently back to a resting state. Relaxes tensed muscles and releases unnecessary breath pressure. Minimizes post-singing vocal fatigue and inflammation. Helps reduce swelling, especially after intensive or extended singing. Reinforces muscle memory and supports long-term vocal health. Components of a vocal warm-up routine. An effective warm-up routine addresses the whole body, not just the vocal folds. The following steps are highly recommended. A. Physical activation, 2 to 5 minutes. Shoulder rolls, neck stretches, facial massages, gentle head tilts and jaw loosening, light bouncing or body shakes. Purpose: release muscular tension that could affect vocal ease. B. Breath activation, 2 to 3 minutes. Diaphragmatic breathing in 4 to 8 count patterns. Hissing or straw phonation to regulate airflow. Lip trills with sustained breath. Purpose: strengthen support and control while preparing airflow for phonation. C. Resonance and humming, 3 to 5 minutes. Humming on an M or NG sound gently across the range, vocalizing through a straw in water, semi-occluded vocal tract exercise. Sirens using oo or e vowels to stimulate soft tissue resonance. Purpose: activate vocal fold vibration without pressure or volume. D. Range extension, 5 to 10 minutes. 5-note scales, C, D, E, F, G, using open vowels, ah, e, oo. Arpeggios or octave jumps with supported tone. Vowel consonant blends, e.g., meh, ne, nu, ba, ba. Purpose: wake up the full range of the voice and encourage vocal agility. E. Articulation, 3 to 5 minutes. Tongue twisters slowly increasing in speed. Lip buzzes, tongue trills, and rapid consonant bursts. Tukupa. Singing lines with clear diction focus. Purpose: prepare diction, clarity, and text agility. The cool-down process. Returning the voice to neutral. Just as you wouldn't stop running at full sprint, you shouldn't stop singing suddenly without care. Effective cool-down techniques. Gentle humming on descending pitches. Sighing glissandos from high to low. Lip trills with minimal airflow. soft ooh or ah slides, gentle neck rolls, and jaw massage. Important. Cool downs should not strain or push the voice. They should feel easy, open, and low intensity, tailoring warm-ups to your voice and goals. Every singer's needs are different. While warm-ups have universal value, they must be adapted to individual. Vocal type, soprano, tenor, etc. Health condition, e.g. allergies, fatigue. Vocal goals, power, agility, accuracy. Repertoire, classical, pop, jazz, etc. Examples. A singer preparing for jazz improvisation might focus more on flexibility and rhythm-based warm-ups. A classical soprano might warm up using vowel purity and resonance-building exercises. A hoarse or tired singer might use only semi-occluded exercises like strophonation. Myths about warm-ups and cool-downs. In this course, we will be using myth and reality in a table. 1. Warm-ups are only for beginners. Even professionals warm up before performances. 2. You can warm up by singing a song. Songs contain unpredictable vocal demands. Purposeful warm-ups prepare the body systematically. 3. If your voice is healthy, you don't need cool-downs. Cool-downs preserve vocal health and reduce long-term fatigue. 4. Loud warm-ups are better than soft ones. Loudness doesn't equal readiness. Controlled, supported exercises are key. Summary checklist. I understand why vocal warm-ups and cool-downs are essential. I can perform a full-body vocal warm-up routine. I can demonstrate post-singing cool-down techniques. I understand how to adjust warm-ups for personal needs. I can identify the benefits and purpose of each vocal preparation step.